Alright, I'm going to show you how to enter in your answers for problems in section 1.4. So we're asked to solve the inequality and graph the solution set. We're asked to give our answer in both set builder notation and interval notation. So I've already worked out the problem, so you're going to work out the problem on your paper. We multiplied both sides by 5 to clear out the fractions, and then I subtracted 5 from both sides, and then I divided both sides by 3. One thing we want to note is that our problem doesn't have the variable x in it, it has the variable z. So our solution turned out to be z is greater than or equal to 20 divided by 3. Now, I want to graph this solution. But in order to graph it, I would like to know where is 20 divided by 3 on the graph. So in order to figure that out, let's convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. 3 goes into 20, 6 times 3 is 18, remainder 2. So this gives us 6 2/3. So when I go to graph this, I want to put a closed bracket because we have the equals to at 6 2/3, and we're talking about values that are greater than or equal to. So I'm going toward infinity. So I've graphed this on my paper. I've also written it in set builder notation and also interval notation. So we know how to do it on our paper, but how do we enter it into Connect Math? So let's get that straight. Alright, so first of all, set builder notation. The first thing I need is my set brackets. Then I'm going to use the variable that's used in the problem. So I'm going to go to my keyboard and I'm going to type in a z. And then I want to type in the straight line that means such that. So I'm going to type in such that. Then I'm going to go back to my keyboard and enter in z. We said it was greater than or equal to, and our answer turned out to be a fraction, 20 divided by 3. So I'm going to type in, I'm going to click on that fraction symbol, and I'm going to type in at the top, I'm going to type in 20. So make sure you're clicked in the box. I'm going to type in 20 from my keyboard, and then I'm going to click in the box below. Then wait till my cursor appears, and I'm going to hit a 3. I'm going to hit check answer, and I should get a green check mark. Now I want to type my answer in interval notation. So the first thing we said is we wanted the bracket. I don't have a bracket here, but I actually have a bracket on the keyboard. So I'm going to go to the keyboard. It's a little bit different maybe for you. I'm going to go to the keyboard. I'm going to enter in a bracket symbol. So that's squared off bracket. Then I'm going to enter in a fraction. So I'm going to hit fraction. And then I'm going to go back to my keyboard and hit 20 divided by 3, just like we did above. So I'm going to hit that fraction symbol, 20 at the top, 3 at the top. And now something important, hit the arrow button and arrow over. I'm going to enter in a comma. So I'm going to go to my keyboard and enter in a comma. Alright. And then I'm going to hit infinity because I want to put infinity. And now I'm going to enter in parentheses again to close out the interval notation. The last thing I'm going to do is check my answer, make sure I get a green check. There we go. Now I want to graph. Notice that if I click right now, nothing happens. Okay, I need to select the line. So I'm going to select the line here. We said 20 divided by 3 was approximately 6 2/3. So I'm going to go in between 6 and 7 and I'm going to click. So you need to select the line first. So I'm going to click here, then I'm just going to click. Now notice that I clicked once and I see that as I move to the right or to the left that I have this little line that's following me around. So I've clicked once at the point and now I'm going to move my arrow. Now I have not clicked again, but I'm moving my arrow which direction, to the right or to the left, while moving it to the right. So I'm going to move to the right and then I'm going to click and I should get that blue line. And there's my solution. I'm going to click check and I should get another green arrow. Alright, so that's a quick little tutorial about how to enter in your answer in set builder notation, interval notation, and also how to graph on the number line.